Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my recent haul from Nykaa, which is during the Independence sale. Nykaa has some really cool offers now and then, so I make use of them the most. If I had to restock something, I do that, and if I had to try new makeup or skincare or something like that, I also do that. I'm a big makeup junkie and makeup is life. I'm obsessed with makeup. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and click on the bell button so that you'll get notified whenever I post a new video. So guys, there is going to be a lot of makeup. I know it's a lot. I'm obsessed, and it's this bag is full of goodies. This bag is full of makeup. So please grab a snack because it's going to take a lot of time, and let's enjoy. With no particular order, the first product of the haul is, it's from the Nykaa itself. It's the Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. It says it has triple active action formula, anti-pollution, deep hydration and oil control action. I don't understand the claim of the anti-pollution formulation, I don't know, but I have high hopes for this foundation, guys. And it has got 30 ml of the product like any other foundation would have. And I'm in the shade 07 Hot Honey. If you wanted to know the full review of this product, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to do it for you guys. The next product is the one that I'm most excited about, which is the Huda Beauty Remastered Rose Gold Palette. I've heard a lot of good reviews about this palette, guys. I really wanted to buy the original ones, but they've remastered. I heard the formula is better than the original version. So I was so happy when Huda Beauty was launched in India, Nykaa. So I was so happy and I wanted to try a lot of products. So let's open this beauty up. Can we just take a moment to appreciate the packaging, guys? How gorgeous and how thoughtful, and how thoughtful of her to do the packaging. She's so beautiful and the packaging is so beautiful. It's a cardboard packaging. It doesn't feel cheap. It's very sturdy, and let's open it up. The product has got a full-sized mirror, and they've got all gorgeous shades. There are few beautiful crease shades. There are shimmers, there are matte shades, and a good black color, matte black color, which you can use it for, good black smoky eyes. They're all beautiful shades, and I wanted to swatch few shades for you guys. These are the swatches, few swatches of the palette. How beautiful do they look, guys? They're all very blendable in your eyes, and they're very pigmented and very creamy, and they're not powdery. And if you wanted to have one palette for the rest of your life, you can definitely go for this palette. It's worth every penny, and it's so beautiful and gorgeous. The next palette this is again an eyeshadow palette. I know, I'm crazy. So the next eyeshadow palette is from Makeup Revolution. It's a Sof X Revolution Extra Spice palette. This has got rose gold packaging. It's very beautiful. It's very sturdy. There is a full-sized mirror in this again. And there are some gorgeous shades, some matte, some shimmers, and there are some really nice crease colors like the Hukido. It's a gorgeous color, guys. And there are some cool tone shades like grey, like some green, and some mauve tones, and you can even create sunset look with the help of this because there are some nice yellow color and orange also. So it's a really nice palette. Next product is from the brand called Flower Beauty. Flower Beauty is recently launched in Nykaa. It's a highlighter palette which is called the Shimmer Strobe Highlighting Palette, guys. It's again a beautiful palette. You get 3 shades of different highlighters, and they're all beautiful. They're very blendable. It's cream-like. It's very finely milled, and they're very gorgeous. That's what I have on my face today, on my high points, and it gives such a beautiful wet look. And I really, like this palette. I really recommend this all to you guys. Next product is from the brand called Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. It's again a beautiful palette. It's not very expensive. It's very affordable product. And you have one contour product and one highlighter product, under eye highlighting product. And today that is what I've used to warm up my skin. It's a very nice natural looking contour shade for Indian skin tones. It's a light to medium skin tones. They're very blendable, guys. It doesn't look very chalky. It really blends into your skin very well. And I really like this palette. And it's in the shade Caramel Toffee. The next product is from the brand called Smashbox. It's the Photo Finish Primer Water Set and Refresh Spray. So this is a primer water. It comes in a glass bottle. so it's obviously not travel. So I am an oily skin girl, so I always prefer to use something very light on my skin, especially with the primers. They tend to clog your pores. So this is like just like a water. It has very mild smell, mild fragrance, nothing too bothering to the nose, and I really like it. It just doesn't act like a primer. You can also set your makeup with this primer. It's really beautiful. Your makeup stays put for approximately 7 to 8 hours. I don't wear makeup more than 8 hours, obviously. So it's really a very, very beautiful product, and I recommend definitely. I was so waiting for this product to launch in India, guys, because it wasn't available in India a while back. Now Nykaa launched it recently, like 9 to 10 months back. It's the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara by L'Oreal. So it's a very beautiful mascara. It doesn't, clump your eyelashes. It doesn't make it look voluminous, but it really makes your eyelashes look very long and fluttery, and it's very, very beautiful. It's waterproof also. It stays for really as long as you remove it with the help of a makeup remover. The next are the brushes that I wanted to talk about. So I picked it up, I wanted to pick up some Nykaa brushes because I've been hearing good reviews about them. The first brush is the Nykaa blush brush. It's a very beautiful brush. It has this rose gold packaging. It's not very sturdy and it doesn't look cheap also, but they're very dense. They're very, very dense, and it's very, very soft, extremely soft, and it's not going to poke your skin, and it picks the right amount of product, guys. So it's really, really good. I recommend it. And the next brush is the stippling brush, the foundation stippling brush from the Nykaa. It's really, really good. I was blown away by the performance of this brush because I obviously use the beauty blender for blending my foundation, but I used this today and it really gave me a very airbrush finish, and I really, really recommend this. It's very beautiful. The next brush is again from the Nykaa. It's their eyeshadow blending brush. It's very short for my liking, guys. For my crease, for blending the product on the crease, I like something very long and fluffy, so I'll be able to blend it properly, but this is too short for my liking, so I just use it to create a nice detail for my cut crease looks. And you can even use this for smudging your eyeliner, kajal, or sometimes even the eyeshadows. So it's a miss for me. And the next brush is from the Pro Art. It's in the number PE29. It's the pencil brush. It's beautiful to just smoke out your lower lash. It's very, very beautiful, and I really like it. The next brush is again from Pro Art PF01. It's an eyeshadow shader brush. It's used to pack the eyeshadow on the lids, and it's really, really beautiful. So this particular product was not available in India, but they've recently launched, recently in the sense like 10 months back. So it is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It just makes your skin airbrush finish, and even the dry skin girls can use this product, and it's not going to make your skin look patchy or powdery, and it's really beautiful. And that is what I've used under my eyes and rest of my face. Before, I used to use the Makeup Revolution banana powder to set my under eyes, but I'm never going back. This is the one. This is the one. So the next one is from MAC. I know it's a highlighter. I know it's a lot of highlighter, but still I love highlighter. For the love of my highlighter, I've picked this MAC one. It's MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Soft and Gentle. It's very beautiful. It's a bang-on highlighter. It has some peachy undertone. It suits Indian skin tone really well. So that's what I have on my face today. It's really, really, really beautiful. So you can definitely check it out. The next product is from the brand called Flower Beauty. It is the Flower Beauty Flower Pots Powder Blush in the shade Sweet Pea. It's a beautiful color. I was so shocked, in fact, to see the packaging, guys, because it was perfectly the dupe of the Milani blushes. It has got the same flower packaging. It's very beautiful. I was so worried that to use the blush because I would spoil the flower. It's so beautiful. And the color is very mauvey, everyday, and it's like a dusty rose color. It's very beautiful. It's very blendable, and it has a little kickback, which means it's powdery. It's very buttery soft. And you can build it up because it doesn't have a lot of coverage. You have to build it up, but still it's very, very beautiful. If you don't have Milani blushes, you can definitely give this a try. The next one, guys, oh my god, I just love it. It's the Huda Beauty Gemstone Obsession Palette. This is everything a girl wants in her life. This is all the shimmers that every girl wants in her life. So I just open it and show it to you all. It has got a mini mirror. It's very, very beautiful, cute little palette, and it has got all the shimmer shades. I'll swatch few for you. The swatches of the Obsession palette, Gemstone Obsession palette, they're all so pretty. The shimmers are really, really good. They're very blendable, and you don't need a fixer to actually pack your shimmer shadow on your eyelid. And the only problem is this doesn't have any matte shades to put it on your crease. So that is only the drawback. The next are two concealers that I got. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm in the shade medium. It's a restock. It's very beautiful. You can wear it for everyday purpose, and it's really beautiful. It gives full coverage, and I really like it. And the next one is from the brand called LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm in the shade Pure Beige. I actually don't like to use one or two shades lighter. I always like to go, the same shade of the foundation, because it won't make me look ghostly, and I really like this. It's in the shade Pure Beige. It gives full coverage again. It's really, really beautiful on the skin. You can definitely check it out. The next product is from the brand called Kiko Milano. It's their lasting gel eyeliner in the shade black. I was waiting for this product too. I was waiting to hold on to this product because I've heard really good reviews about this product. But I was not very happy with the packaging, because the eyeliner, the product was all over the lid, and it was so messy. But as a product itself, it was very beautiful. That's what I have on my lid today, and it's very, very beautiful, pitch dark, matte, and it stays as long as you remove it with the help of the makeup remover. It's really good. You can invest in this eyeliner, definitely. The next product is from the brand called NYX NYX. It's their Powder Puff Lippy. It's in the shade Moody. It's a beautiful product. It's like a dark plum color on my complexion. The only problem is it has got a sponge applicator. You have to squeeze the tube to get the product out of the sponge, and you have to apply. So the problem is, you can't be very precise with the application. That is the only drawback I find with this product, but the formula is very, very good. It's bang on. So I'll swatch it for you. So this is the Wet n Wild Coloricon Kohl Eyeliner. It's in the shade Calling Your Buff Rose Natural. I was having high expectation with this product because I really wanted a good nude eyeliner, nude kajal pencil for my waterline. But what I found was it was not very pigmented. It is very patchy. It is not creamy. It was hurting my eyes, so I didn't quite like it. If you have any recommendation for nude eyeliners, nude kajal pencils in the waterline, please let me know in the comment section. Next ones are two kajals that I purchased. This one is from Nykaa. It's their Rock the Line Kajal, and the other one is from Faces. It's the Magnet Eyes Kajal, and I really like both of them. The Nykaa one is really pitch dark, guys. It's pitch dark, and it stays on for a really long time. And the Faces one is also really good, but I felt the Faces one was really stinging my eyes. It was watering my eyes. My eyes were watering for really 2 to 3 hours, which I didn't like. But the product is really good. So this is the pigmentation. Both are really dark, matte, and really, really good. And it doesn't smudge also. So unless you remove it with the help of the makeup remover, this is going to stay forever. So this is the Nykaa Lips Don't Lie Lip Liner. It's really beautiful. It's a pink color, and I always like my lip liners to be not very creamy nor very dry. So it's in between. It's a beautiful pink color, and you just can wear it by itself. You don't need a lipstick actually. You just can wear it by itself. It's very, very pretty. So the next one is, guys, by Nykaa X Masaba. Just take a moment to appreciate the packaging. It's so beautiful. It's all her prints that she has put in this packaging. It's very, very beautiful, extremely beautiful, and she's very, very thoughtful. And I have bought it in 2 shades. I've got 2 shades. I'm going to swatch the Femme Fatale. It's a very reddish orange kind of color. It's a very beautiful color indeed. I'm just swatching it for you guys. It's very, very pretty color. This is the sort of color that makes your teeth look white, and it's very, very pretty. And the next shade is Nimbu Pani. Nimbu Pani is like a nude brown on my skin tone. It's little darker than a nude brown, I would say, but it's nonetheless, it's very, very pretty. These are the 2 swatches. This is Femme Fatale, and this is Nimbu Pani on my complexion. It's very beautiful. And the only problem with this packaging is, guys, a cardboard packaging. So whenever I put it in my purse or my travel package, it tends to break. So we have to be very careful since it's cardboard. That is the only drawback of this packaging. Last but not the least, I have Nykaa Matte to Last Mini Liquid Lipsticks. I have all the 10 shades. They're very gorgeous, pretty, beautiful, everything. But the only problem is, for the price we pay, it's too tiny. It just has got 1.2 ml, guys. So think before you buy. And if you wanted to see the swatch and review of the product, I'll put it in the description box below, and please do check it out. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you all liked it. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye.